Hello and welcome to my channel. Dr. Ashes here. Apparently 2 days ago on 14 December, UK announced that they found a new mutated coronavirus. It can spread much faster than the previous one. And this can raise lots of concern, especially regarding the efficacy of the current vaccine. So I want to discuss about this, and if you want to know more, please follow me through this video. As I always explain about the coronavirus, this virus looks very weird. It's really unusual virus. There is very common that the virus have a mutation, but for example, with coronavirus, the one that they discovered 2 days ago in UK, it apparently have 17 different mutation that can really change this virus behavior as well as the surface protein of it. So this is very unusual. In the previous time, all other viruses, they all mutated, but they could find 1, 2, or 3 mutation within the virus. But this one, 17 mutation in a different area of this virus, really raised lots of question that why. And if you have watched my other videos regarding could this virus made in the lab, I will leave to that video in the description if you want to watch that, because the way this virus behave is very, very unusual. So let's go back to the topic. Luckily this time, this mutation is more about the more surface protein. So the more surface protein, the S spike protein that the coronavirus have, it make it much easier for this virus to spread, to enter the cell and infect the cells. Therefore, this type of new virus that they discover, it can spread much faster than the previous one. But the good news is the changes on the S spike protein was not that big. So why this S spike protein is a big deal right now? The reason is all of the vaccine right now that are ready for distribution and already distributed, they all targeting the S spike protein of the coronavirus. Means the gene that they transfer from the main coronavirus to their vaccine is only make our body recognize the S spike protein. And please keep that in mind, that these vaccine make our body to produce certain antibodies that only lock with that type of S spike protein. So if due to mutation, this S spike protein, as you can see here, if this change and mutated and it start to have a different shape and a different protein, then the antibody cannot recognize this as a target anymore. Therefore, all of these vaccines that have been made till today will have to go down to the drain, they become all useless. So that's a very big concern, that's one of the reasons that in Denmark they killed over 17 million minks because they found the mutated coronavirus with them. So this is a big concern, and unfortunately there's a possibility. The chance with this virus is not very low because, as I said, the behavior of this virus, it's not similar to any virus before in the history. Maybe the closest behavior, maybe it's similar to the type of H1N1 that caused the Spanish flu. But rather than that, we cannot really compare to any other virus because the rate of the mutation is very high and the number of the mutation within a virus is very high. I will leave the link to this news and information in the description if you want to read more. We can only hope mutation doesn't happen with the spike protein. And also I have a very high hope for the Montefiori, the medicine that I made a video about that. Also I will leave the link to that also in the description, that could be the cure. And because Montefiori till this phase that they're following, it has nothing to do with the S spike protein or other part of the virus. It only targeting to make a mistake with the RNA of the virus and stop it from the duplication inside the cell. So let's see how it goes. I will update you once I get more information. If this video was informative for you, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, I wish you all stay safe and well.